I'm Neela Vishar, and I have done campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computer Private Limited, and it has been a great experience.
I have learned all the shortcut techniques to solve problem in less time, and the mock tests provided were very helpful. The trainers were excellent, and in coding, I learned the correct approaches to attend problems, and their approaches were in CodeShape, CodeVita, hackathons, and other platforms. That immensely helped me, and I performed well in the campus drive, and I was successful in cracking it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Noreen Sultana. I am pursuing my BTech in Electrical Engineering from Future Institute of Engineering and Management, and I am currently in my 6th semester. I have come to know about Ardent from my seniors who got placed in different IT sectors, and I have enrolled myself with Ardent classes. I have attended a few of the classes till now, and I must say their way of teaching is very unique. They start from the very basics and cover all the topics till the advanced level, and which are required for the campus placement interviews and all. They make us solve the previous year questions of different big MNCs like CTS, Wipro, TCS and all. And though I'm from a core department, it wasn't very difficult for me to cope up with the CS and IT students because of their teaching, and I'm very much thankful to them.
I'm very much satisfied with Sir's classes. Sir teaches us new things every day that we didn't knew before in C programming. He teaches the concept of those things very beautifully and explains those things with good examples. We understand it very well. At the same time, after teaching us new things, he gives questions to solve. And we try to solve it. After solving, when we unable to solve the question, he explains how to solve those types of question with examples. I just have a request if sir could run more C codes during the lectures and provide us lecture notes before those lectures, it would be very helpful. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Sohail. I have done a campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. So I have such a great experience. So the trainers were very knowledgeable. So I learned the shortcut technique to solve problems in a very less time. The mock test provided were very helpful. In coding, I learned the correct approach to attend problems, and the approach was CodeVita, CodeSafe, hackathons, and other coding platforms oriented as well. They immensely helped me, and I performed well in a campus drive and was successful for cracking it. That's all.
Hello, I am Souvik Choudhury. I have done campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. It has been a great experience. The trainers are very knowledgeable. I have learned the shortcut ways to solve a problem in less time. And the mock tests provided were very helpful. In coding, I have learned the correct approach to attend problems, and the platforms provided were CodeVita, CodeSafe, Hackathon, and other coding-oriented platforms. It helped me immensely in my campus drive. That's why I have done very well in campus drive and was successful in cracking it.
Hello, my name is Souvik Goswami and I am a student of BP Poddar Institute of Management and Technology, and I have done my campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited, and I had a really good experience. So the trainers were really knowledgeable and they taught us really short techniques to how to solve a problem in really less time, and the regular mock tests that were taken were really helpful. In the coding part, I learned the correct approach to attend problems, and the preparation were very much similar to CodeVita, CodeShape and Hackathon's related platform. All this preparation had really helped me, and I performed very well in my campus drive and was successful in cracking it. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Samid Mondal. I have done the campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. It has been a great experience. The trainers were very knowledgeable. I learned the shortcut techniques to solve the problem in less time. The mock tests provided were very helpful to us. In coding, I learned the correct approach, and the approaches were CodeVita, CodeSafe, Hackathon, and other programming language oriented. This actually helped me a lot, and I performed well in Campus Drive and was successful to cracking it. A big thanks to Ardent.
Hi, I am Deban Roy and I have done campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. It had been a great experience. The teachers were very much helpful and knowledgeable. Besides that, I have learned much more techniques how to solve a problem in quick span of time, and in coding I learned the correct approach how to solve a problem, and the approach was CodeSafe, CodeVita and many more others. This immensely helped me, and I suppose that it will help me back in the future also, and I was performed well in Campus Drive training program and was successful in cracking it. Thank you.
My name is Suchishmita and I have completed the Campus Recruitment Training Program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. I had a very nice and great experience. The trainers were knowledgeable as well. Throughout these programs, I was able to learn the various approaches and the shortcut methods that can be used to approach a certain program. These programs were CodeVita based, CodeSafe based, and also other such important coding platform based oriented. It was overall a very good experience, and I have learned a lot of things out of it.
Hi, myself Shobhik Roy. I have done my campus recruitment training program from Ardent Computech Private Limited. It's been a great experience for me. All the teachers over there are very friendly and are very helpful. I have done my minor project from Ardent Computech Private Limited, and it's been a great experience. I have learned many shortcut techniques in very less period of time. In coding, I have learned various approaches which helped me to participate in CodeVita and CodeSafe. I have done my minor project from Ardent Computech Private Limited. Besides this, Ardent is providing a great opportunity for our students in this pandemic situation to learn from home. And last but not the least, this is helping immensely to gain confidence for my upcoming placement drives. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dipanjan Banerjee. I'm from Future Institute of Engineering, Sonarpur, and I'm currently pursuing BTech in Electrical Engineering. I came to know about Ardent from my college, and Rajmohan sir himself approached us through WhatsApp. We got to know what we would come to know, what we would learn from Ardent classes, and I'm in the 4th year, so campusing is right around the corner, and these IT companies like Cognizant, Wipro, and TCS, they would be soon recruiting us engineers. So, and from college we got to know about the basics of C++, but I don't think that's enough in today's time. So I think Ardent class was very important, and I did attend 2 of the classes, and seriously I did not know most of the things. I got to learn in-depth knowledge about the basics, which is very important, and question papers from previous years, campusing tests, those were discussed, and more would be discussed from the next classes. I think it's very beneficial. Even if you're not from an engineering background, or you are just a graduate from recent years, you should learn about coding because it is applicable for every scenario nowadays. That's all I would like to say.